It is a beautiful morning on our first sea day back through the Gulf of America, headed back to Texas. The water's wonderful. It's an amazing day. What a wonderful day to spend the morning on this wonderful balcony. That one goes to the bedroom, and the other door goes to the living room. We can even come around on the side and see more pools. Nobody's out very much this morning. I mean, it's about 9 o'clock. Everybody's sleeping in, including me. But I guess I'll run down and find some eggs.